Hey everyone, Dayron here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and I have another tip for you related to cleaning. And if you see on my hands, we got this amazing product, and also we got woolite, we got Resolve, which I see on almost every home out there. Some people ask me, okay, is it a good product or not? I don't know. I don't have an answer for you about the product. Does it really, like you say here, remove stains and odor? It may. Does help to remove odor and stains. I've seen it sometimes that it makes the carpet worse. Sometimes it helps. Do we recommend the product? No, we don't. I just want to show you in this rug what this product will do, and that's the reason when you have a fine Oriental rug, you shouldn't trust Resolve or woolite, which is the leading products out there on the market to do any spot cleaning or odor decontamination. When we work on rugs, or you need to work on any spotting on your rugs, you need to do what is called a bleeding test. A bleeding test is basically just putting some of the product on a white towel. You need to make sure that the towel is white. That way we don't create any bleeding from the towel on the carpet. And then you look for bright colors on the carpet to see if you're pulling dyes out of the carpet. If when I press down I get dyes here, that means that this product is way too strong to be used on a wool rug, or especially on this wool rug. I already put some of the product on the towel, and then I'm gonna look for a bright color, put the product on top and just press down for a little bit. And then if you get close here, you can see some of the red color coming out. That means that this product is way too strong to be used, especially on this fine wool rug. If you have an accident at home, please do a bleeding test like this. And I'm going to test woolite, which is, it says that it's designed to use on wool. Already wet the towel, and if you see we got some red here, this is Resolve. And I'm going to test woolite, and then I'm going to look for another bright area, press down for a minute or two, and then let's see what we get. If you see on both sections, you take a quick look here. If you see on that, both areas we got some dyes coming up. That means that if we use these two products to do any spot cleaning at home, you will make the spot even worse, and you may lose all the colors or all the dyes in the rugs. And that's the reason that you need to go with a professional to do a rug cleaning. And if you have to do the spotting at home, please make sure that you do a bleeding test. That will prevent to make a even bigger damage. If you know someone who needs to watch this video, someone who you know that it runs into accidents with their rugs on a regular basis, please share the video. And if you have any comments or you want to learn something else, just leave your comment on this video. And if you need professional cleaning on your fine area rugs, please give us a call. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.